Softening point of bitumen. The objective of this experiment is to determine the softening point of the given sample of bitumen. Softening point is a temperature at which the bitumen will acquire a particular degree of softening. It is measured as a temperature at which a steel ball passes through the bitumen sample when heated under specified conditions of the test. The apparatus used here is the ring and the ball apparatus, water bath with stirrer, steel balls, brass rings, ball centering guide, ring holder and thermometer. IS code used is IS 1205-1978. Apparatus. This is a tapered ring, the ball centering guide, ring holder, assembly of apparatus for determining the softening point. Okay, so the rings shall be supported in a horizontal position, okay, with the upper surface of the rings 50 mm below the surface of the water bath. There shall be a distance of exactly 25 mm between the bottom of the rings and the top surface of the bottom plate of the support, okay, if any, or the bottom of the bath. Steel balls are used, two each, having 9.5 mm in diameter and weighing 3.5 plus or minus 0.05 grams. Brass rings are used, two each. The rings shall be tapered. Brass rings are having depth of 6.4 plus or minus 0.5 mm. Then the inside diameter at the bottom is 15.9 plus or minus 0.1 mm. Inside diameter at the top is 17.5 plus or minus 0.1 mm, and the outside diameter of the brass ring is 20.6 plus or minus 0.1 mm. The ring and the ball apparatus will comprise of metal frame, okay, having three plates. The top plate has a hole for insertion of the thermometer. The middle plate, okay, has two slots for placing the rings, and the bottom plate is flat. Then the centering guide and the rings is fitted to each other and is placed on the metal plate. So softening point is a temperature at which the substance will attain a particular degree of softening under specified condition of the test. The test is conducted by using ring and ball apparatus. The brass ring containing the test sample of bitumen is suspended in the liquid like water or glycerine at a given temperature. So when the softening point is below 80 degrees Celsius, water is used in the water bath, and when the temperature of when the softening point is above 80 degrees Celsius, the difference is that glycerine is used in place of water in the bath. A brass ring containing the test sample of bitumen is suspended in liquid like water or glycerine, okay. Then a steel ball is placed upon the bitumen sample and the liquid medium is heated at a rate of 5 degrees Celsius per minute. The temperature is noted when the softened bitumen touches the metal plate. Procedure. So preparation of the test sample, we need to heat the material to a temperature between 75 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius above its softening point. Stir until it is completely fluid and free from air bubbles. So the bitumen material is heated at a temperature in the range of 75 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius and is poured into the rings on a metal plate. The metal plate is coated with a mixture of glycerine and dextrine. So this is done to avoid the sticking of the bitumen to the plate. So after cooling for 30 minutes in air, if required, level the material in the ring by removing the excess material with warm sharp knife. Next step is you place the rings on the metal plate, assemble the balls within the rings, okay, then assemble the apparatus in position. Assemble the apparatus with rings, thermometer and ball guides in position, and fill the bath to a height of 50 mm above the upper surface of the rings with freshly boiled distilled water at a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. Next step is you apply heat to the bath and stir the liquid so that the temperature rises at a uniform rate of 5 plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius per minute until the material softens and allows the ball to pass through the ring. Next step is you note down the temperature when the bitumen touches the bottom. Then observe the temperature when the ball 1 and ball 2 drops. So note down the temperature when the ball 1 drops and note down the temperature when the ball 2 drops. The average of the two will give you the softening point of the bitumen. Okay, you record for each ring and ball the temperature shown by the thermometer at the instant and the sample surrounding the ball touches the bottom plate of the support. Okay, this is the observation table and result noted down. Temperature at which ball 1 drops, temperature at which ball 2 drops. The average of the two will give the softening point of the bitumen.